So what if you could basically clone your brand's entire identity just from a single link? Today, we are diving into a new AI from Google Labs. It's called Pomelli, and honestly, it claims to do pretty much that. It's aiming to solve one of the biggest headaches for any creator or business out there.
You know the feeling, right? You've got your brand, your whole vibe, but keeping it consistent everywhere online is a nightmare. Every single social media post, every ad, it feels like you're walking a tightrope. You're constantly asking yourself, does this font really feel like us? Or is that the exact right shade of blue?
It's just this constant, time-consuming battle. Seriously, making sure every little piece of content perfectly matches your brand's DNA can feel like a full-time job in itself. And that kind of meticulous, repetitive work, it can totally bring your creative flow to a grinding halt.
But what if that entire headache could just go away? What if it could be automated? Well, that's exactly the promise behind the AI solution we're going to break down today.
Okay, so what is Pomelli? In a nutshell, it's a free experimental AI tool from Google, and it has one incredibly powerful job. You give it a website link, and it spits out on-brand marketing content for you. No need to upload brand guides, no complicated setups, just one link. It's kind of wild.
All right, so how does it actually pull this off? This is where the real magic happens. The AI isn't just, grabbing a couple of colors, it's creating what Google calls a digital DNA for your brand. It does this deep dive to figure out the fundamental building blocks of who you are online.
And getting started couldn't be easier. I mean, it's literally 3 steps. First, you just paste in your website's URL. Then the AI gets to work, scanning and analyzing everything. This might take a minute or two, and then bam, it generates your unique business DNA. It's a complete profile of your brand, ready to go.
And that right there, that really captures the wow moment. Think about it. In the time it takes you to go grab a cup of coffee, this AI has developed a deep understanding of your brand's identity. That's a process that, used to take hours and hours of manual work.
So what's actually packed inside this so-called DNA? Well, the AI automatically pulls out your brand name, it identifies your key brand colors, and it even figures out the specific fonts you use on your website. It also grabs some core images, and, this part is key, it gives you a place to upload your official logo to make the profile complete.
Okay, so you've got this digital DNA. That's cool, but what can you actually do with it? Well, this is where the tool goes from being a smart little analyzer to being your creative co-pilot, turning that DNA into actual marketing stuff you can use.
Now, from here, you've got 2 main paths you can take. You can let the AI take the wheel and generate some campaign ideas for you. This is awesome for those times when you just need a little spark of inspiration. Or you can take total control by writing your own custom prompt, telling it exactly what you want to create.
For example, you could prompt it with something just like this. And notice, you're not just asking for a picture. You're actually outlining a whole social media campaign with a specific topic and structure. You can be as simple or as detailed as you want.
And the stuff it makes is super practical. We're talking ready-to-post social media carousels, professional-looking graphics for LinkedIn, eye-catching visuals for Instagram, and here's the best part. It's all automatically stamped with your logo and styled with your brand's colors and fonts.
But here's something really important. This is not a black box where you just have to take whatever it gives you. Not at all. You have full creative control to go in and tweak everything. You can edit the headers, change the descriptions, adjust the colors, swap out the images. You can fiddle with it until it's absolutely perfect. So let's zoom out for a second, because a tool like this, it's more than just a time saver. It really hints at a massive shift in how we even think about creating content. It points to a future for marketing that is way more automated and AI-driven.
It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? As these tools get smarter and smarter, how much of our creative work are we going to start handing over to AI? This isn't just another new app. It really could be the start of an automation revolution in marketing.
Just think about that for a second. The whole idea that you can start with one single URL, one link, and generate an entire universe of on-brand content. This is a real glimpse into a future where brand consistency is no longer this huge battle. It's just a click away.